Hey guys, welcome to your 10-4 notes on solving radical equations. So a radical equation can be solved by first isolating the radical term and then square both sides of the equation to eliminate the radical. So if I see here, the radical part of my equation is square root of 5x. So to isolate that, I need to subtract 7 from both sides. So I have square root of 5x equals 3. So now that I have isolated my radical, I can square both sides to cancel out my radical, and I have 5x equals 9. And then to isolate x, divide by 5, x is 9/5. Number 2 is actually a little easier because my radicals are isolated already on both sides. So I'm just going to go ahead and square both radicals. And what happens when I square a radical is it leaves what's left over on the inside. So now I can subtract x to this side. 2x minus 1 equals 5. Add 1 to this side. 2x equals 6. And then divide by 2, x equals 3. Let's keep it going with numbers 3 and 4. So number 3, to isolate this radical, I need to add 5 to both sides. Square root of x minus 2 equals 8. So now I will square both sides to cancel out my radical. And I have x minus 2 equals 64. Add 2 to both sides, x is 66. Now number 4 is a little bit more difficult because it's going to take more steps to isolate this radical. First thing I'm going to do is subtract 12. So I have negative 4 radical 1 minus 2x. Oops. 1 minus 2x equals negative 12. Now, in order to isolate that radical, I need to divide by negative 4 on both sides. So these cancel. So I have square root of 1 minus 2x equals positive 3. Now that I've isolated my radical, I can square both sides. And I have 1 minus 2x equals 9. Subtract 1 from both sides, negative 2x equals 8. And then divide by negative 2, x equals negative 4.